Neha and Yash will be at the party, right?
Correct.
Sir? You mean Yash loves Neha?
Your thoughts are very nice, Shefali. Why is it so heavy? Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, relax. Hey, listen. It's important that Yash and Neha be present at that party. But I'm also there. Right? You are there too? But will you get Neha?
If Neha becomes the cause for meeting you, then I'm ready to bring her anywhere.
Thank you. Promise?
Promise.
Thank you so much. My work is done. Please get Neha to the party. Yash is waiting for Neha. Please.
Sure, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Bye.
Sir. There will be something really special if Sameer sir himself came to meet me.
What happened? Why are you crying? Buddy, move aside. Oh my Shefali. Shefali. What happened? Why are you crying so much? How will I know if you don't tell me?
Hey lady, at least say something.
Shefali, everyone has gathered here due to your crying.
But what is the use of this? The one who should ask me hasn't even come out of the kitchen.
But tell me first what exactly happened. Then I will speak to Neha about it.
Someone just broke my heart.
What?
Oh my! You are saying it now! Why are you standing here? Go inside and get Neha and tell her to call the doctor. Heart attack at such a young age is very shocking.
Mr. Engineer.
Yes?
She's saying something different and you're thinking something different.
Now only she said that she suffered a heart attack.
Hey, Bandhu. Uncle. I said my heart has broken. I mean, someone has broke my heart. He went away and even took his 5 billion rupees with him.
Listen, you first decided. You were speaking something different before and now you are saying you lost 5 billion? So should I call the doctor or should I complain to the police about your lost 5 billion rupees?
Yes. Even I'm unable to understand her.
But when did she get so much money?
Shefali, we are asking you something.
Will you tell us clearly what it is?
Aunt, you both are worrying for no reason. It's nothing like you are thinking. She is crying as she is feeling bad.
Oh my. You're crying so much because you're feeling bad. But first stop crying at least.
And all of you please leave.
Go.
You don't worry at all. She's crying just like that.
She is not listening to me, then how will she listen to you? Let it be. She will cry and then get silent.
Did you see? She has been behaving like this once I came here. If I shouldn't cry, then what should I do? My dream of 5 billion rupees was left incomplete, uncle. My dream of 5 billion rupees was left incomplete.
Aunt, enough now. How much are you crying? I don't cry even when mom beats me. You are strong, right?
You are right. I should get calm now. I need to get out of here with the sorrow in my mind.
Come on, now at least she has calmed down.
It's not so easy, uncle.
What?
It's not so easy. I will now have to celebrate this heartbreak.
What is this new thing?
Yes, a person should be able to celebrate their sadness too. And I will do that today. Neha, get ready fast. We have to go to celebrate my heartbreak today.
What do you really intend to do?
Nothing, Hunt. we will go to a simple 5-star hotel and eat something. So we'll enjoy a lot. Relaxation through a little celebration. Neha, are you getting ready? Come fast.
Not at all. I will not go anywhere leaving Pari alone, Aunt.
Aunt Shefali, I will come with you if Mom isn't coming. Let's both of us celebrate your party.
Pari, you keep quiet. Little kids don't go to the party.
Did you hear? Did you both hear? Everything is like this. I'm here for everyone, but no one is there for me. He went away after showing me 5 billion rupees dream. But now even my best friend is no longer mine. What do I do now? You only tell me. Why should I live? How will I face this world now? Does it mean that I shouldn't live? Huh? Shall I not act stubborn with the person who I'm so close with?
Shefali, even I feel like crying after seeing you cry like this. What do you want? You just want Neha to come with you, right?
Yes.
Then come inside. Come, Pari dear. Neha, go with her.
Aunt, I also said what I wanted to say.
But go now at least because I'm saying. Hey, if she does anything wrong in the fit of anger, then you will not forgive yourself your whole life. We cannot say anything about today's kids and nothing about her at all.
Aunt, I recognize her well. She will take others' life but won't give up her own.
Look how she's crying.
She will cry and then become quiet. You don't worry.
Listen, lady, keep quiet now. Why are you gathering the whole society here?
Aunt, you tell her. I'm crying as she's refusing.
Neha, you listen to me at least.
I don't want to go, Aunt.
No, I will not listen to you. You will have to go because you will also feel good.
And me too. And me too.
Will you keep quiet now? I'm speaking to her, right?
I will not leave Pari and go.
I'm here to take care of Pari, right?
Look, Aunt, look. She's not ready to listen to you even after you said that all. Aunt, what do I do now? Whom shall I look at? How do I go ahead in my life, Aunt?
Hey, calm down.
Yes.
Drama queen. I will come.
What? You are coming? Yes! I knew it. That you can never refuse me. You are my best friend. Come, let's select a dress for you. Come.
What to select? I will wear the clothes I have.
Sorry, we are going for a party and I only know what will look good on you at the party. Come.
Aunt,
Come.
hey,
Item girl.
Hello, Dad. Where are you? Today it's Yash success party. We all are missing you a lot. Really? All right. Take care and do come fast, okay? We all are waiting here for you.
This Mithula has become very smart nowadays.
Okay, I will hang up. Yes, sister. How come you are here?
Nothing, I was just here to see you. I mean, I wanted to see you if you had got ready for the party.
Yes.
Whom had you called? Dad?
Yes.
Oh, so good. Good that you called him and spoke about the party, huh? I'm sure he would be very happy.
Yes, Dad was saying.
Just like me when I do anything like that. I am the eldest daughter-in-law of the house. Me. I should know everything. Am I clear?
Yes, sister, but you didn't tell me how do I look.
You look like Queen of Blunder.
What? Queen of Blunder? Wow, it will be something nice.
Hey, Neha, come.
What?
Neha, you look so nice. In fact, you look.
Keep quiet.
Neha, I'm telling the truth. If I was a boy, then I would have proposed you right away. Neha, it will be a quick engagement and even a quicker wedding. And then honeymoon, direct Maldives.
Are you done?
Jokes apart, but you really look beautiful today, Neha.
When will you get ready?
Once I get ready, then you see. Now we will go to my house right away. I will get ready there and then we will go to the party, okay?
I had to wear this sari as you insisted. Or else I didn't want it to get ready.
And I had to do all this on someone's insistence.
What? Whose insistence?
No, I mean due to a fight. Now, if we fight with someone, then we don't talk to them, right? So I have to do this breakup party due to the same.
You are saying that you had a breakup. But you are really feeling bad, or are you happy?
How many questions will you ask, Neha? It's my breakup party, right? So you should do now what I tell you. Don't ask me anything more.
All right, come on.
Mom,
Yes, dear. What is it?
did you forget?
Now what?
Mom, you look very nice today.
Really? Thank you, dear. It's because Aunt Shefali has got me ready.
Hey, Pari. Praise me too sometimes. No, let it be. I'm also beautiful, even though not as much as your mother. Neha, come. We are getting late.
Pari dear, I'll come back.
Don't create any problem and don't trouble Aunt and Uncle.
Okay.
You got so late to get ready. And now we won't even get a rickshaw too. What will we tell the rickshaw driver?
You don't have to tell me anything. I have already booked a cab.
What? You booked a cab?
Yes.
Why? We are going nearby, right? We could have taken your bike. Why did you book the cab for no reason? And why are you spending the money?
It's not my money.
What?
But nothing. You are being a miser for no reason, Neha.
Hey, come, let's take an auto.
Not at all. So what if it's a breakup party and I just want to celebrate it in royal manner? So no two-wheeler, no bus or rickshaw, only cab. Hey, look, the cab is here too. Yes, come. Come, Neha. Acting in front of her was okay till now, but now I'm really worried. Once she comes to know where I'm taking her, and then I will be done for sure. She's very dangerous when she gets angry.
Shefali. Shefali,
Yes.
what happened to you? You were talking so much while leaving home, and now why are you quiet?
Not at all. What has happened to me?
Hope you have nothing to worry.
Not at all. Why will I be worried?
Tell me if you want to cancel the party. We will go home and I will make something nice.
No, you will not do anything like that.
Then why are you so worried?
Look, Neha, it's nothing as you're thinking. It's just I don't want to speak anymore. You do one thing. You just leave for a while. And I will wake you up once we reach the destination.
But you said that we will reach in 15 minutes.
Yes. Then let's do one thing. I will close my eyes and lie down.
What happened? Where have you reached?
We have left and we are on the way.
Great.
Did Neha ask you anything?
Yes, she did ask, but I lied to her. Our mission is successful.
Congrats, Yash. Great job.
Yes, sir. Don't worry. We will reach soon.
What did you say?
Me? What did I say? You just misheard it.
Where are we going?
We are going.
That's what. We have come out of Mumbai.
No, we are not out of Mumbai.
Shefali, tell me, where are we going?
Neha, we are going to the party. It's my send-off party, right?
Send-off party.
You heard send-off. I said breakup party. We are going to my breakup party, right?
Shefali, tell me frankly, where are we going? We are out of Mumbai.
No, Neha. We are going here only for the party.
You said that we will reach in 15 minutes. But it's been an hour now.
My goodness. Is it? Even I fell asleep. I didn't realize it.
Shefali, where are we exactly going? Will you tell me the truth?
Neha, you don't get angry at me. It's not at all my fault.
Where are we going?
We are... Neha, Sameer sir told me to get you to the party at any cost.
Whose party?
Yes, sir's party.
Driver, stop the car.
No, Neha.
Driver, stop the car here itself.
No, please don't
Stop the car,
here.
mister. I don't want to hear anything from you.
Neha, listen. Neha, please wait. Neha, where will you go so late at night?
Listen, Shefali, please don't follow me.
Hey, Neha, before getting angry at me, please listen to me once. What I'm saying.
There is no need. You're also a liar like him.
No, Neha, at 10 o'clock.
Shefali, don't follow me.
Neha,
Hey ma'am, give me my money first. You can fight later.
you wait for a moment.
Is Shefali crazy? She's calling me when Neha is around. Yes, tell me, Shefali.
Sir, I was getting Neha in the cab, but...
What happened? Why are you crying? Hello, did you guys meet with an accident?
No.
Then what is the need to cry?
Mission unsuccessful, sir.
What? But what really happened?
Sir, Neha realized everything and she's not ready to come now.
But who told her?
I told her.
Shefali, why did you do this? We had decided not to tell her, then why did you tell her?
Sir, I had to tell her. And now, even she has turned back. And my stars too turned, sir.
Hello? Shefali's so crazy. Why did she tell her when we had decided not to tell her? She told her the truth and got tension-free. But what will I tell Yash now?